So putting in the clips, see, focus there, in the quarter windows is just a little bit more tricky than the ones on the hatch. The fitment between the panel and the glass is much tighter than on the hatch. So you'll want to use a panel puller tool just to kind of get just under there and pry the panel back just as little as possible, and that clip will pop in. So I've done that already for both sides, and then let's just grab this and attempt to slide it in here for the first time. We'll see how that goes. Maybe if I actually got all the way in here. All right, let's try this again. So I'm going to try by putting the front in first. I'm not really sure which way works better. The instructions don't really seem to indicate. I can tell you right now, it does not seem like front is the best option. Let's try it the other way. So, all right, so it's sort of in there. I need to push this into here. Okay, I think there we go. Front one is clipped in. And now I'm gonna have to try and get this to snap into place. There we go, and it's in there. And again, fit is very snug. I mean, right around, am I seeing a reflection? A gap there? It's like there's just a tiny bit of a gap there. And yeah, there's no way to get it to slide up a little bit there, but otherwise, very snug. So, all right.